Hi, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this amazing eyeshadow look using the Watch Me Blush Eyeshadow Palette from the Crayon Case. This eyeshadow palette has a total of 12 colors. The eyeshadow pan in this palette is pretty big, so it's going to last you a pretty long time. 5 of these colors are going to be on the matte side, and you have 5 shimmer colors as well. What I really love about this eyeshadow palette is you could use it for eyeshadow as well as a blush. Also, there are some colors in this palette that you could actually use as a highlighter as well as a bronzer. So the first color I'm going in is the first color from the top row. The name of this color is actually called Cobbler, and Cobbler is a pretty neutral brown color. And to do this part of this eyeshadow look, I am using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm going in with a stapling motion. I am not really rubbing that color in. I'm just patting that color in just so that I can get the shade I'm really looking for. In addition to that, the next color I'm going in is this orange looking color, and this color is called Tangerine. It is actually the second color in the top row section if you want to go from the left hand side. To go in with the darkest brown color in the palette, and this color is called Hot Cocoa. It's going to be the very last color on the top row of this palette, and I'm basically going to put that on the outermost part of my eyelid. I'm going to blend in everything. So I'm going to go back in the colors Cobbler, Tangerine, and as well as Hot Cocoa. I'm just going to use these colors, just going to go back to even out everything and just to make sure that everything is blending in seamlessly. I'm going to apply these colors where necessary, just to make sure that I have a well blended canvas. In with my Heng Feng glitter liquid glitter shadow, and I'm going to use my liner brush to apply that glitter shadow, and I am basically going to apply that shadow from the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm going to kind of brush it out. I'm not going to go all the way towards the end of the eyelid with that color. I'm just and I'm going to do the same thing over on the other eye. I'm going to drag that color halfway or quarter way into the brow area. I'm not going to take it all the way up. If this part of your eyeshadow look does not come out right, or if your line does not come out right for this part of your eyeshadow look, that's okay. You could always go back with a shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm going to show you guys how I get that done. But it's completely okay if that part of your eyeshadow look does not come out the way you want it to. I'm going in with my NYX white liner, and I'm going to use that to line my waterline. And I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics loose shadow in the color white gold. I'm going to drag that corner in my tear duct area, and I'm going to bring it just quarter way in with my waterline. I'm not going to drag it all the way into my waterline. I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the first color on the bottom row, which is called Outsider. I am going to go back into my Tarte Cosmetics loose eyeshadow in the color white gold, and I'm going to take my small flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to really go in and actually define that line that I previously created with my liquid eyeshadow. To help with a better definition, I'm going to mist my eyeshadow brush with some facial setting spray. We're just doing this step. If you don't want that extra definition, that's okay. But I really want that part of the eyeshadow to stand out and not be lost. So this is why I am going over the line I previously created with a loose eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in the color Berries. That is going to be the fourth color from the top row, and I am going to just smoke out my waterline area with that shade. I'm just fixing things up. I'm taking that berries color and I'm just going to smoke it out just to make sure that it's well blended in with the other colors. Voila, there you have it. This is a fabulous eyeshadow look I came up with using the Watch Me Blush Eyeshadow Palette by the Crayon Case Cosmetics. This eyeshadow palette is indeed Sophie approved. I went ahead and I used some false lashes, some baby wispies lashes. Then I went on and I also applied some lip color. Check out the description section to know the exact lip color I use if you are interested in finding out. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.